Sometimes you might want to sort data. To demonstrate this, I have here a table of the polarity of different solvents. If I right-click and click Show Data or press F3, I can see the values in the table. So we see we have here some different solvents, the type of solvent, a polarity index, and then some other information like boiling point, viscosity, etc. And I've made a plot here, a bar graph of the polarity of each solvent. And perhaps I want to sort this in order of polarity. What I can do then is go in and choose the polarity that I want to sort by, and go to Data, Sort Table. This will choose to sort it by the polarity index, and I can choose if it should be ascending or descending by choosing Toggle Sorting Order, or I can just double-click on the data series. So let's choose descending here and press OK. And now we have a new table which has the polarity sorted, as you can see. So let's go ahead and edit the plot to take this new sorted table. So I choose the sorted table in the trace dialog. And now it's plotted descending. Perhaps now I want to group this plot by the type of solvent. This, of course, I can do by going into the plot trace dialog and choosing to split, for example, the color by the solvent group here. And I'll choose to label it as such and show it. And now this table has been split into each separate solvent group. However, again, we can see that the solvent groups aren't sorted in the legend. So what I would really like to do here is to also sort by the solvent group. Of course, we could sort our already sorted table, but what we could also do is select both of these data series and again sort. And now it will be sorted first based on the solvent group and then based on the polarity index. And I sort descending again, but ascending for the solvent group. If I press F3, now we can see that the solvent group has been the priority 1 sorting data series. So again, if I edit my plot to take that second sorted table, now we can see that in the legend they are all in order. So that's how easily you can sort tables based on several data series in Edelweiss.